I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
So hi, hello DJ station viewers. Now we are going to explore Dudhsagar River Falls. So let's get started. Dudhsagar Falls is a four-tiered waterfall located on the Mango River in the Indian state of Goa. It is 60 km from Panaji and the entry fees is rupees 500 and own vehicles are not permitted inside Dudhsagar waterfalls. So the path to reach the falls is a bumpy one. It takes 40 minutes to reach the main Dudhsagar Falls. Also trekking allowed here to reach the falls. On our jeep ride to the forest, we have to cross 2 to 3 dangerous river crossings. It was a great adventure. And the place is a great treat for nature seekers and photography lovers. And also children enjoy the bumpy ride. And we can also see lots of foreigners enter to the falls.
Abrázame toda la noche.
At last, we reach the Dudhsagar Falls.
No quiero perder lo que queda.
It was a great experience and it is the second largest waterfall in Asia.
En el amor, yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá.
So we were able to witness the train passing through the falls. So it was a great experience to see it.
Más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más allá.
So there were many fishes spotted near the falls. So we were able to witness the beauty of the falls. The falls was covered by full of rocks.
Seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno del sol.
So I think you would have enjoyed watching this video. So stay updated for more videos. Peace out and stay safe.